Stepwise is yet another plugin that can help you to speed up your PyTest workflow. To do so, the plugin provides two options, namely Stepwise and Stepwise Skip, that you can use when you start PyTest. Imagine that you have to work with a test suite with a number of failing test cases. You can then use Stepwise to run the test suite up to the point where the first test case fails. At this point you get all of the usual error messages and you can go into your code to fix the failing test case. If you then start PyTest again with the Stepwise option, it starts running your test suite again from the test case that failed before and not from the beginning of the test suite. And that's the whole point of the plugin, because it remembers where in the sequence of test cases the first failure happened and therefore where it interrupted the test run. As you can see, it now stopped at test case number 4, which was the second failing test case in my test suite. And now I have two options. I could either go into the code again and fix the failing test case, or I can use the Stepwise Skip option to temporarily ignore the failure and handle it later on. As you can see, it now stopped at test case number 5, which was the third and last failure in my test suite, and it ignored temporarily the failure of test case number 4. If I now go into the code again and fix test case number 5 and then run PyTest again with the Stepwise option, then we finally get a green output. However, if I run PyTest without any options, then we still get the failure for test case number 4, which we skipped over before. I hope that you found this video interesting and learned something new. If so, please leave a like and consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you for watching and see you soon.